wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Rahaikan Malik bin Raja Reza Rizwan and my magic number is 271436.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tunisha Arina binti Karim Nazri and my metric number is 270005. Before we get started, have you ever heard what is e-wallet or how to use the e-wallet application? Do not worry, my friend and I will explain to you guys what is e-wallet and how to use the e-wallet application as well as some benefits of using this application. So stay tuned, okay? E-wallet serves to store money, debit cards, credit cards, and even our bank account information in one application. This application replaces physical wallet so that we are no longer have to carry wallets or even a lot of money in hand. Also, this application makes easy for us to do transaction anywhere safely. So hi Carl, how does e-wallet works?
Alright Nisa, basically e-wallet is still like the traditional wallet that we usually use to keep our cash money, but it has improvement features such as balance check, recording every transaction that we make, online payments, and a lot of more according to the version of e-wallet that we use. In order to use this e-wallet, basically it's only take 5 steps for you to have your own e-wallet based on the version that we use. For example, Malaysia citizens mostly like to use Touch and Go e-wallets. Firstly, you have to install the apps at the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Secondly, register your personal information and click the register button. Thirdly, you have to verify your e-wallets accounts using your identification cards and your personal selfie pictures. Fourth, upon registrations, you may top up your e-wallets using the debit card. And fifth, your e-wallet is ready to use for now. So Lisa, we are done with introducing the e-wallets to the people. Do you think there is benefits from using these e-wallets?
Of course there are, Ika. First benefit is cashless. What is cashless? Cashless can be simply defined as an economic concept or state where all the financial transactions take place through transfer of digital information instead of physical banknotes or coins. E-wallet is mobile application that quickly gain traction due to its fast, secure and convenient payment methods. This mobile application also allow the user to send, receive and store money. For an example, TNG e-wallet or Touch and Go e-wallet. This type of e-wallet allow their user to add or store money by simply linking their bank account. Similarly, a user can also send money to their friends, relative or any other person by entering their phone number. Let me show you how it works. After you download this e-wallet application, you need to open it and register it first. But before you want to make a transaction to anyone, you need to reload your e-wallet balance. How to reload? Firstly, click the reload button and enter the preferred amount that you want to add. For example, 50 ringgit, 20 ringgit or 30 ringgit. After that, click the reload e-wallet. In this section, you can choose either credit or debit and FPX online banking. And here you can select what kind of bank you want to use, such as CIMB Bank, Maybank, Public Bank and so on. Secondly, you click on the transfer button and enter the phone number. After that, enter the amount of value you want to give. And we're done! See? Easy peasy, right? But before that, before you want to send money to someone, please make sure the person has also registered under this e-wallet application, or else it will become like this. Moreover, a user can also make payments to merchants or pay various utility bills like water bill, electricity bill, mobile recharge and so on directly from the e-wallet app. See, all payments can be made cashless and very easy to use. So hi Carl, from my explanation just now, do you think there is any other benefits from this e-wallet app?
Yes Lisa, I think there are. The world today show it is moving towards IR 4.0. Before that, IR 4.0 stand for Industrial Revolution 4, that was referring to the advance of supercomputers and the use of robotic technologies in world today. Can you imagine the whole industry applying this IR 4.0 in their management or business? Of course, with this, all matters will be involved in computing and the use of manpower will be reduced. So, e-wallet is a new technology in adapting human beings for today's sophisticated industrial revolutions. For example, if you go out for shopping at the malls nowadays, you can choose to make a payment via e-wallet. Is this right? Nowadays, instead of go to the bank to make the payments via cash deposit machines, you can choose the e-wallet, which is much easier for you to make an online payments. As you can see, even the store at the malls and the banking system has been simplified by these e-wallets. Also, by the meantime, you can avoid the traffic congestions. Lisa, I also heard that e-wallets much safer than traditional payment. Is that true?
Yes, Haikal, that's true. Frankly, it is also one of the benefits from the e-wallet application. Second, benefits are safety issue, where this application very safe and secure. This is because digital wallets are locked up by a PIN code. In addition, all users' credit cards or bank details are heavily encrypted by digital wallet applications. Funds stored in e-wallet are just safe as physical cash in your own wallet. In fact, it is actually more secure than physical cash. For example, the risk of snatch theft, robberies, or petty thieves stealing your wallet is always present. With e-wallet, you can minimize the amount of physical cash to carry. E-wallets in Malaysia require a form of user authentication before transaction can be done. It usually comes in form of the 6-digit PIN or via biometric authentication such as fingerprint. This authentication applies across the board for all transactions on the e-wallet, from peer-to-peer funds transfer, QR scan and pay, and other in-app purchases. For example, if your phone gets stolen, the funds in the e-wallet remain secure. So how to check it? Just log in into the e-wallet app from your replacement phone. Almost all e-wallets in Malaysia do not allow concurrent installation for a single account. So the act of signing from another phone revoke access to your stolen one. Hi Carl, I have a question. Do you think people might against this revolution in using traditional saving money with the e-wallet app?
I think they will not hate this, Nisha. People who have experience using this e-wallet always thought that e-wallet was very user-friendly. In this case, we can relate to the consumer spending times. As evident is, when the time taken by the consumer to pay their bills become shorter and more reliable. An example that I can take is, the normal electricity bill payments require the user to make payment at the post office or selected store only. This often creates difficulties to users, such as having to take queue numbers, having to queue longs, and maybe some of them have to make an appointment in advance because of the congestion experience. But with these e-wallets, people can make online payments without having to leave their homes or facing the traffic jams on the roads. With this also, people will not have to face the issues such as having to take queue numbers or having to queue for a long time. And the most important is, we will feel more happy in spending our own money in our own ways. See, there's a lot of benefit you can get if you guys use this application as your daily transactions.
Yes, that's true. In fact, there are so many things you can do in this application. You will have to explore it by your own self about this e-wallet app and to feel the satisfaction. So, what are you waiting for? Download it now! Bye!